Alright, welcome back. In this video I'm going to go through this part, which is again in millimeters. We've got some chamfers in here and some cutouts. I'm going to do this in 3 separate steps, creating this whole outside first, then creating this cutout, and then creating this cutout. Alright, so I've got Onshape opened up. I'm going to click Create, Document, label it whatever you'd like. I'm labeling mine AM7. Again, we're in millimeters, so I've got these 3 lines here. Go to Workspace Units, switching my inches to millimeters. I'm going to start a new sketch on my front. Again, you're welcome to choose whatever plane you'd like. On the left-hand side here, I'm going to turn these eyes off just so they're out of the way. And I'm ready to begin. Again, I'm going to do the whole body of my shape first. Starting down here, going down my 5 line tool. From my start point, always start from the start point there. Going down, I click and type in 5. Zoom in a little bit. Then it goes across the bottom right here, 42. And I'm going to do my whole height, which in this case is 30. It comes across the top, looks like 7. Goes down 5. Right, and I'm going to escape real quick just so you can see these numbers are all kind of jumbled up right on top of each other. Then I'm coming back on it right here. My distance, my width here is 18. I'm going to go back up 5. This isn't specifically noted. Should be 7, but just to verify, right? My overall is 32. Got my 18. I've got my 7. Yeah, so this dimension in here is 7. Right? And then I bring it back down to my start point. That gives me then my chamfer in here. Right, I'm going to hit my finish sketch. Go to an isometric or a turned view. I'm going to click extrude. And my extrusion is 27. Right, so you can see that I've made the entire part, but I do need to cut things out. Right, so I'm going to do a new sketch on the front. I'm going to start by creating a line along this edge straight to the back. I'm going to create another line up here. Again, I've not put dimensions on it. Now I'm going to come through with my dimension tool and place the dimensions I need. So this bottom line here is 10. So I've clicked on dimension. I'm going to click this line to here. Type in 10. Right, and then it looks like from the bottom of my whole object to that second line is 20. So from the bottom to the second line is 20. Right, so this is the area that needs to get cut out, our 18. But just to be sure that everything gets picked up when I do my extrusion, I am going to click on my project geometry. It's right there. And just be sure these 2 lines are grabbed as well. Right, so I hit the green check, go to my isometric view, click extrude, click that part where you can see it's adding, so I want to remove it, 18. Right, almost there. This step in here is a little bit shorter, right? You can see that in here it's 16, while my overall is 27. So I'm going to do a new sketch back on here. Again, using that project geometry to grab that original shape, hit my green check, go to an isometric view, and this time when I do my extrusion, I can now select that original shape, switch it to remove, and type in the number that I need. So again, a little simple math. I've got 27 as my overall. I'm subtracting my 16. So this extrusion should simply be 11. And there is part number 7. Thank you.